This is a product video about our Glamorgan PVC screens. Very popular in offices and schools currently for walkways, dining hall areas, classrooms, between desks. And they've got a strong system on the top, a metal framework, and on the lower part here they've got a solid metal piece weighted base to it to give it good stability. Now this particular sample here for the demonstration is a 2 metre by 2 metre screen extending right across to give a good wide screen area. After these can be pushed up, if you look on the ends, each end of these, looking on here down the lower part here, you can put another screen straight up against it. There's no protruding lower part to the foot to create one continuous line, and it is a flexible PVC, easy to move for staff to rearrange areas, and are available on a 2 to 3 day delivery nationwide. Any other questions, please call us or email us. They come in different sizes, as you can see on the website. They're manufactured in the UK. Glad to be able to help. Thank you.